family, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share our simple nourishing hair treatment that we have been loving for helping with healthy hair growth and also overall scalp care. I've crafted this blend with fenugreek seed along with some of my favorite other ingredients which promote shine and strength. I started off with my fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seeds have a history of use in traditional hair care. It is believed to help with moisture retention and shine. Fenugreek seed promotes hair growth by delivering essential proteins and iron to strengthen hair follicles. It also boosts blood circulation to the scalp for better nutrient delivery. Our next ingredient is our dry cloves. Cloves benefit the hair by promoting growth. It also strengthens the hair strands and improves scalp health due to the rich antioxidants found in cloves, which is eugener, vitamins and minerals, which fight dandruff, reduce inflammation, prevent premature growing, and also protect against damage, which lead to thicker, shinier, and healthier hair. Black rice have many benefits for hair. They strengthen and repairs the hair. They also boost hair growth. They add shines and smoothness. It deeply nourishes the hair. It also protects the hair because of the antioxidant shield that it puts over the hair. It also soothes the scalp. Black rice contains essential amino acids which supports collagen production for stronger hair. It also helps with scalp circulation for optimal hair growth. I mix dry rosemary and dry lavender. Rosemary and lavender work together by boosting scalp circulation, fighting inflammation, and also nourishing hair follicles. With rosemary stimulating growth, it was compared to minoxidil, and lavender also calming the scalp and preventing infections. Both of them together create a healthier environment for thicker, stronger hair. Both of them together have a synergetic effect. They offer dual benefits which rosemary stimulates growth and lavender calm the scalp. This tea is for topical use on the hair and scalp. It's part of a routine we use at home with care, and we have found it works nicely when applied as a warm, relaxing treatment. If you have any allergies or scalp conditions, please test a small patch first before you commit to it. We are going to be using boiling water to steep our tea. For best results, I would recommend for you to steep your tea overnight. But if you are in a hurry and you need to use it immediately, then I would say like 30 minutes or an hour. But I love to prepare our tea overnight, and then by the next morning all of our ingredients have infused into the warm water, and the warm water have also cooled down so that we don't burn our scalp, and then we can go ahead and use it. But the night before I pour in our warm water, I'm going in with our caffeine hair growth oil in the tea, just a little bit, maybe half tablespoon of it is enough. After that, I'm just going to set it aside and then let it steep. This is the next morning. As you guys can see, if it stay overnight, it become really dark. That way you know that all your ingredients have transferred into the tea. You can go ahead and strain it and transfer it into your spray butter. Since this is a tea, you will need a spray butter so you can apply it on your hair without making a lot of mess around. This tea is safe to use on the whole family, but let me just share some few tips while I'm applying it on our hair. First, temperature matters. We do not want boiling hot tea on the scalp, which can be drying. We aim for a comfortable warm temperature, safe for our skin, to help open the scalp pores gently and allow those nutrients to mingle with our natural oils. Second, consistency is key. We do not just want to use it once and expect miracles. We incorporate this routine into our weekly wash day routine or also our daily spirits routine. You can use this once or twice a week, pairing it with a gentle massage that travels from the scalp down to the ends of the hair. Massaging also helps stimulate blood flow, which supports the hair delivery of nutrients to the hair follicles. A little more about our family routine. Sonia and Aurora are excited to try new natural hair care ideas, and I'm glad to share something that's simple, affordable, and most especially, it is free from all harsh chemicals. We always emphasize on patch testing and also listening to our hair signals. If our strength feels dry or a little stiff, we adjust the amount of time we are using the tea, and then we also make sure that we moisturize our hair using either the LCO method or the LOC method. Our goal is to nourish the scalp and the hair shaft, supporting strength and elasticity so that our strands can grow with confidence. You are always welcome to try a version that fits your family needs. That's why I love making these DIYs. You can always adjust it to what you need. If you are sensitive to frequencies, you can reduce the amount of lavender or omit the cloves and still enjoy the nourishing feel of the infusion. If you prefer a lighter scent, you might swap rosemary for a milder herb or simply use the tea without the rosemary. The most important part is a respectful, gentle approach to your hair and scalp. You can pair it with patience. Hair growth is a gradual journey, and small, consistent steps using the right ingredients add up over time. Thank you for joining us today. If you try this hair tea at home, we would love to hear how it works for you and your family. Please share your experiences in the comments and tell us about your own favorite natural hair care routine. Here's to healthy looking hair, a calm scalp, and a little family self-care time that we can all enjoy together. If you want to check out my hair care line, these are Ayurvedic inspired hair care products. My website link will be somewhere down in the description or up in my bio. Until next time, take care and may your days be filled with warmth, wellness, and good hair vibe. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.